अभी खाना खाया, तालियां जोरदार, come on. Wherever you want to sit. We have with us the melodious Arman Malik, whose soulful voice strikes a chord with the youth in more ways than one. We can't wait to see what he's going to bring to Royal Stag Boombox this year. Let's give it up for Arman. Hello. Okay, this lady's voice has won our hearts. Neeti Mohan. She's lent her versatile voice to many Bollywood songs and delivered chartbuster after chartbuster. Let's welcome Neeti Mohan on stage. Next up, we have someone who is known for her music in many different languages. She captures the hearts of her audiences with her charming voice. Please welcome Nikita Gandhi. Woo! Let's now invite on stage a rising sensation in the world of hip-hop, Ikka. A rapper and lyricist, Ikka captures a myriad emotions in his music. We can't wait to hear his catchy numbers at Royal Stag Boombox. Ladies and gentlemen, Ikka. Please join me in welcoming trailblazer, rapper and singer-songwriter Deepa Unnikrishnan, popularly known as DMC, who weaves spellbinding stories with her powerful lyrics. DMC. We also have amongst us musician and actor Ali Merchant, whose remixes and mashups cast a musical spell on his audiences. Let's welcome him in with a huge round of applause. Okay, so without further ado, I'd like to ask the artist to tell us more about their association and what's in store at Royal Stag Boombox this year. I'll start with Arman. Yeah, you have your mic.
Hi,
Great.
how are you?
I'm good. Good to see you again.
Yes, same
So, I'll start with you.
I think brand वाले देख रहे हैं मेरे को.
नहीं, आप जो भी बोलो.
I think staying happy is living at large. I think आप अपने आप को थोड़ा सा फिलोसॉफिकल है, लेकिन आप अपने आप को इस स्टेज में ले आओ कि आप बिना किसी प्रेशर के आप वो करो जो आपका मन है. आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट लिविंग एट लार्ज. मतलब कि सही मायनों में कर्म किए जा, फल की इच्छा मत करे, इज लिविंग एट लार्ज. आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट इट मींस.
What the pause. अनीति जी.
मुझे भी करना है ऐसे?
हाँ, सबको.
पैसे मिले हैं ना.
5 minutes यही करूँगी मैं. This is live it large. I think live it large. इस time भी मुझे live it large ही feel हो रहा है, because if I'm sitting in front of all of you and sitting with such amazing artists, this is live it large. And if I'm doing music, is live it large for me. Yeah.
Great.
And I think all the more after becoming a mother, if you can follow your heart and your passion, and I feel like if women can do that for themselves, that is live it large.
Ikka, what's your take on live it large?
मेरे लिए तो ये है कि इंसान है ना, बहुत बड़ी खुशियों की तरफ भागता है कि यार ये गाड़ी लूँगा तब खुशी मिलेगी, या फिर वो घर लूँगा, या फिर वो अचीव करूँगा. मेरे लिए ये है कि अगर आपको अच्छा खाना मिल रहा है तो उसको ना आपको एंजॉय करना चाहिए, उसको जीना चाहिए, हर एक छोटे पल को जीना चाहिए. तो मेरे लिए इस लाइन का मतलब यही है कि हर पल को जीना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि ये जो लाइफ हमें गिफ्ट में मिली है ये बहुत अनमोल है, और सही तरीके से इस्तेमाल करें इसका, और बस खुश रहें यार.
अली, आपकी बारी।
यार मेरे लिए लिविंग इट लार्ज का मतलब ये है कि आप जिंदगी में वो करो जिससे आपकी रूह को सेटिस्फैक्शन मिलती है, you know, because I just became a father to 13 stray cats and 2 stray dogs, you know, and trust me it is so soul satisfaction because पैसे तो कमा लेंगे यार, लेकिन ये जो चीज़ें हैं ना, इससे सच में यार इतनी खुशी मिलती है। and if you start living it large with things that satisfy your soul, trust me, life is so beautiful.
Yeah, it is. Sure is. D, your
I
take.
literally had this line in my head today morning: work hard, play hard, go back to my cats. Because I'm just like always looking forward to do that. I would like to continue the answer Ikka gave, that for anything to become large, you need to start small. So all the small blessings of life together add up to become something huge. And being a hip hop artist, I was influenced by a genre which comes from another country, and it was a revolution that changed people's minds. So for me, if whatever I am saying brings peace to the people around me, there's nothing bigger than that. And I totally agree with Neeti ji as well that ये स्टेज मिलना हिप हॉप को, यू नो, इतना एक्सेप्टेंस मिलना मेरे कंट्री में, वो आई थिंक एवरी डे आई एम लिविंग इट लार्ज नाउ।
Nikita.
Feel like I'm in a pageant a little bit. Like world peace.
World peace.
My answer is world peace. No. I mean I feel like कुछ answers बचे नहीं है
हाँ.
बोलने के लिए, क्योंकि सबका कहना यही है कि live in the moment is living at large, you know. And for one, I'm somebody who is not specifically goal oriented. I'm more like journey oriented, and I think that's what this means for me as well. That, you know, jo bhi, you know, live in the now and then just give your 100% to every existing moment, and then you will reach where you have to.
Absolutely. Arman, your
तो
take, your
pressure हो
final
गया,
take.
सबने
Full
इतने
pressure.
भारी
I
deep
also
चीजें
agree
बोल
about
दी।
the pets and the food.
I
Oh, nice,
definitely
nice.
agree with everyone, whatever they have said. But I think just living life authentically is living life large. I feel like that is what I truly believe in. आपको खुद से गद्दारी नहीं करनी चाहिए. You should be really true to yourself. What makes you happy? It could be the smallest things in life, but that gives you large happiness. And I think that is what living at large means for me.
Absolutely. Great answers. Thank you, everyone. Okay, thank you so much, everyone, for being here with us today and sharing how you feel about music that speaks to the youth of the country. The youth is keen on exploring exciting new forms of music, contemporary genres, while Bollywood melodies remain integral to the cultural milieu of India. Royal Stag Boombox intends to stir the imagination of this generation, blending music they have inherited with a genre that speaks to them. So, stay tuned for Royal Stag Boombox with all these artists and many more. Our photographer and videographer friends, I'd like to request you to please wait while the team facilitates the group photographs and interactions. In the meantime, we've also opened up the bar outside and the high tea. So if the rest of you would like to continue eating and partying with us, you can do that. Give us a minute and we'll be back with more on Royal Stag Boombox.
Look at you in the house, yeah.
यहाँ पे ठीक है? ओके, अब वीडियो बाइट्स के लिए रेडी तो प्लीज बैठ जाइए. Okay, I'm going to ask you the standard questions about your association with and then we'll cut it. Music as a passion pillar, living it large.
Passion.
Yeah, passion pillar. Cut do yaar, please. Huh? Okay, ready? Okay, we'll start with Badshah. Tell us about your association with Royal Stag Boombox.
रॉयल स्टैग बूम बॉक्स जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी बोला, आई थिंक एक बहुत ही यूनिक और बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है व्हेन इट कम्स टू म्यूजिशियंस. नॉट ओनली इट ब्रिजेस द गैप बिटवीन द बॉलीवुड म्यूजिक एंड द न्यू एज हिप हॉप rap music, but also it gives a physical platform wherein artists from both the genres can come on one stage and perform for the audience. तो बहुत लोग कहते हैं, आई थिंक रॉयल स्टैग बूम बॉक्स ने वो किया है, एंड हेंस माई एसोसिएशन विद दिस कंटिन्यूज. नहीं तो नहीं करते हम.
Arman, same question to you, and if you could mention the cities in which you're performing Badshah, you too.
मैं भुवनेश्वर इस बार दोबारा कर रहा हूँ, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू जयपुर आफ्टर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. सो थैंक यू रॉयल स्टैग बूम बॉक्स. पिछली बार जयपुर किया था किसी ने?
नहीं, पिछली बार जयपुर हुआ ही नहीं था. हाँ.
So yeah, I'm really excited.
Great, wonderful. Arman?
Royal Stag Boombox, as Badshah also said, it stands for really good musicality, firstly. All of us here have come together to cook up some really cool tunes and beats that can connect with not only our audience, but the youth at large. Not plugging in large just for the sake of it. But बहुत खुशी होती है जब आपको musically freedom मिलता है to do something हटके, because we always do our kind of music, but when there's another person, another artist in the room, तो गाना थोड़ा अलग बनता है. आपके तरीके का नहीं बनता है, ना ही उनके तरीके का बनता है. कुछ दोनों का एक कुछ मिश्रण होता है, which sometimes is beautiful, sometimes you don't expect it. I think most important is the energy in the room, and I think the energy on this stage is beautiful, so I think there'll be really amazing tunes coming out from all of us. And regarding the shows, I'm really excited to perform in Indore and Pune. These two cities have been really close to my heart. A lot of fans there as well, so can't wait to be there and perform for them and perform the song that we make as well as part of this project. And overall, really happy to be part of this project. Thank you so much.
Great, great. Neeti ji, I'd like to ask you, tell us about music as a passion point for the audiences in India, and how your experience with Boombox and Royal Stag Boombox this year in particular is going to help you, sort of engage with the music-loving audiences in Tier 2 cities better.
Royal Stag Boombox is a new sound. Because we have heard hip-hop separately, we have heard Bollywood music separately, pop music separately, but this is an absolutely new sound, new energy, and a brand new collaboration between artists जिनको हमने कभी साथ में collaborate करते हुए नहीं देखा और हम imagine भी नहीं कर सकते. Like I would have never imagined कि मैं EPR जिनके साथ मैंने पिछले season में collaborate किया था. So जब दो ऐसे artists साथ में आते हैं जिनकी एक अपनी personal साउंड रही है, प्रोफेशनल तरीके से जो भी वो कर रहे हैं, और वो जब साथ में आएंगे, सो वो दोनों अपना बेस्ट जब देते हैं, सो एक नई साउंड बन रही है. दैट्स व्हाट बूमबॉक्स इज ऑल अबाउट. द सॉन्ग्स आर वेरी एजी, दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वॉट एवर इज यूथ एक्सपीरियंसिंग राइट नाउ ऑफ आवर कंट्री. और हमारी यूथ को हमेशा कुछ नया साउंड चाहिए. दे आर they want to express themselves through music. So this collaboration means a lot to us because we get to express ourselves the way we want to. And melody and hip-hop beats and rap and something that is meaningful and yet creating value is what Boombox is all about. So that's what, as a passion pillar of music, is what it means to me, and that is why I'm very, very happy and excited to be part of Royal Stag Boombox.
Great. I'm going to pose a question to Ikka and to Dee on how it feels to be. Dee, you touched upon this earlier, that it's so amazing to have this genre that comes from outside and to own it and to bring it and make it relevant for our context. How does it feel to be part of this platform that takes you to newer cities, makes you meet newer audiences? And what are you most looking forward to with what you're going to be doing this year? We'll start with Dee and then move on to Ikka.
I think Royal Stack Boombox is offering a very fresh and unique concept to people, where they are bringing forth the melody of Bollywood and the rhythm and poetry of hip-hop. So, like I mentioned, hip-hop has the ability to just merge into anything. So, it is definitely a big step towards pushing the wave of hip-hop forward in India and pushing hip-hop artists in India. So, getting to collaborate with artists who come from their own field of expertise when it comes to melodies, it's going to make our job easier to merge with them through our words, So, I think they're going to bring the melodies, we're going to bring the words, and it's going to be amazing. The songs that come out of it are going to be beautiful. And at the end of the day, we create music in the studio to be able to translate that emotion onto stage. So I'm really looking forward to do that in front of all the beautiful people of Pune, where I'm going to be performing this year.
Great. Ikka?
For me, मतलब जो Royal Stack Boombox है, सिर्फ एक प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है. It's like a festival. और एक आर्टिस्ट को क्या चाहिए? स्टूडियो, स्टेज, वो हमको मिल रहा है. और मैं तो शुरू से ही बहुत खुश होता हूँ जब भी मैं कोलैबोरेट करता हूँ किसी के साथ. इंसान को जानने का मौका मिलता है, उसके म्यूज़िक को जानने का मौका मिलता है. और जब आप किसी नए आर्टिस्ट के साथ बैठते हैं ना, आपको सीखने को बहुत कुछ मिलता है कि यार मैं ऐसे भी कर सकता हूँ, ये चीज़ भी कर सकता हूँ, वो चीज़. तो वो बहुत ब्यूटी है इस चीज़ की. और शुक्रिया कि ये प्लेटफॉर्म दिया रॉयल स्टैक बूमबॉक्स ने. और मैं बस चाहता हूँ कि मैं खरा उतरूँ और आपको अच्छा गाना डिलीवर करूँ.
बढ़िया. और ये क्वेश्चन है निकिता और अली के लिए. आप दोनों ने पिछली बार जब परफॉर्म किया था तो एनर्जी लेवल्स तो कुछ और थी स्टेज पे. while you were mixing and making people dance, Nikita, you were dancing like so energetically. I couldn't imagine how you were singing and dancing, so well without losing your breath. How does it feel to keep that energy up, from the stage, and to have like 15, 20,000 people in front of you and to engage them and to, sort of hold them together? How does that energy exchange work there?
It's exactly that. I think the energy you give, you get, you give. And if you're doing what you love, which is, I think, the point of Royal Stack Boombox, that you do what you love, you experiment with it, you grow with it, you create and you execute. I mean, I love the fact that we're getting to do both. We're getting to create, we're also getting to take it to the stage. And that's what, I think, if you're doing something you love, you're gonna, probably, you can see it when the person is performing and you can feel it from the audience and back and forth.
Great.
I feel कि जब भी हम स्टेज पे होते हैं तब पता नहीं क्या हो जाता है हमें. और फिर मन करता है कि यार जितने भी लोग आगे हैं ना, वो हर इंसान नाचे, हर इंसान खुश रहे. बिकॉज वही हमारा मोटिव होता है और उससे ज़्यादा कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है और कुछ समझना भी नहीं है. क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली हम सब इतने ऑनेस्ट हैं हमारे काम की तरफ. तो जब भी आप कोई भी चीज़ ज़िंदगी में ऑनेस्टली करो ना, तो फिर वो दिख कर आता है और वो मज़ेदार ही हो जाता है. और मेरा ये भी कहना चाहता हूँ कि दुनिया की सबसे खूबसूरत चीज़ है एक अच्छी पिक्चर बनाना, है ना. और दुनिया का सबसे मुश्किल काम है एक अच्छा गाना बनाना. और जब आपके पास इतने बेहतरीन आर्टिस्ट हैं जिन्होंने इतने माइंड ब्लोइंग नेक्स्ट लेवल गाने बनाए हैं, एंड आई एम श्योर दैट यू गाइज हैव प्रॉब्ली हर्ड इट एंड डांस ओवर इट, लेकिन एक फेस्टिवल में सब एक साथ आना, तो वो एनर्जी स्टार्टिंग में इतनी अमेजिंग है, तो जब वो ऑन ग्राउंड पहुँचेगी तब तक तो मतलब पता नहीं क्या तबाही होने वाली है. So yeah, I think it's all about living it large, and everybody will be living it large at Royal Stack Boombox on the festival day. So.
Great. One last request. Can you all just say Royal Stack Boombox or something? Live it large, maybe? Just for the Boombox. Live it large. Yeah. On the count.
Like together.
Just, yeah, ready? Yeah. You don't look happy over this. You are.
He's like,
He's like, yeah, I will be
One,
happy.
two,
I
three,
am
let's
happy.
do that.
Yeah, okay, I'll give the count and we can just get that. Come on, Bacha, stop making fun of me.
Chalo. Let's do it.
Payback.
Let's
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Royal
Stack Boombox,
live it large.
एक और
बार. ठीक है. I'll give the count again. 1, 2, 3.
Royal Stack Boombox,
live it large.
Great. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here. Great. Done? Kush? Great. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Rollstack Packaged Drinking Water Boom Box.